Hey guys, welcome back for yet another Java tutorial, and in this one we're going to be going over our last type of loop, and that is the do-while loop. And like usual, I'm going to discuss it before we do it, and the do-while loop, really, when you break it down to its simplest way of thinking about it really, is it's kind of like a reverse while loop that always activates at least once. So like, that may not make sense right now, but once you see it, you'll understand it. So let's do let's do a loop. Let me think of a quick, easy program to write. Let's just make a variable called plays, and we'll set that equal to 0. And then we're gonna make a program, and then we'll add the loop in later. So let's just say we're gonna print out welcome to the game, and then we're gonna make another variable. Actually, wait, no, never mind. We're gonna print out another sentence saying pick a number, and then now we're gonna make another variable called pick and set it equal to whatever the user picks, and we're gonna use integers. So this is another scanner object. Well, ooh, right, I have to make a scanner object. So just make a scanner object and make it so that you can take in an integer from the user, and then let's just make integer. Actually, alright, let's import the random class for this, guys. This is going to be a test of a couple tutorials, but you're going to like the result of this program, because I think it showcases a good, useful way to use a do-while loop. At least when you're kind of like just learning it, and it's a fun way to, do what I'm trying to show you. So let's make another integer variable called number, and then we'll set that equal to oh wow, we have to make a random object of the random class, so let's do that. I apologize for kind of being all over the place this tutorial, guys, but try and follow along, and it'll all make sense in the end, I promise. So make another integer variable and make it equal to a random integer, which you should know how to do from the random tutorial. And now we're gonna do an if-else statement with this. So if pick greater than number, print out congrats, you won. And then we'll do an else and do sorry, you lost. And now if you were to run this, all it would do is it'd print out welcome, it'd let the user pick a number, and then it would create a random number for the computer, and it would compare those two numbers, and if the user picked the greater number, it would tell them that they won the game that we're playing. So now now it's like, okay, well, that's the game, that's like our program. Our program was just to do this. We're playing a game with the user. But let's do a loop to actually like let's say the user wanted to play more than once. They'd have to like restart the program every single time they wanted to play, which could get annoying, right? So let's do a do-while loop now, and this is what this tutorial's mainly about. So write the word do, and then an open brace, and then put the closing brace around everything that you want to repeat. So it would go after this else statement, like right down here, and then right after that brace, write the word while and put a condition in it. So this would be like while plays less than equal to 5, which we're gonna want to increment that. Why can't I put that? Oh, never mind. So like just put plays plus plus to increment every time that it plays the game. But this is your do loop here. The do's up here, and then you block off using like a big block statement everything that you want to repeat while this is true. So this is why in the beginning I said it's kind of like a reverse while loop, because the while and the condition actually go at the end of the code rather than how you're used to putting it at the above the code. And so that's why I called it a reverse while statement. So it's like an upside down while statement. While loop actually. And the do is just because it's gonna say it's gonna do this code at least once, and then it'll check through every time. So let's run it and let's play the game. Pick a number. 1. Sorry, you've lost. Pick a number. 4. That's a 6. Sorry, you've lost. 7. Congrats, you've won. See, like, and it'll just keep going. Sorry, you lost. Congrats, you've won. Sorry, you've lost. And it'll just keep going until the play counter hits 5, and in which case the program has run its course. A more useful way to do the whole play count would be if you actually ask the user if they wanted to stop or not, which we'll get into a couple tutorials from now. But for now, this program is I think really useful. Like if you guys understand this program, then you understand everything that we've done up to this point, because this has the scanner class in it, this has a loop in it, this has an if else in it, and it has the random class in it. So it's understanding this, like there's a lot of topics in this simple like 10 lines of code right here. So if you don't understand this, watch this tutorial again and then read the code over yourself, because like I said, this really reinforces pretty much everything that we've done so far, and I think this is a nice program to just understand as of right now. And I'm gonna give you guys programs like this at the end to review stuff that we've done. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.